Good morning, students. I, Parminder Singh, Head Department of Business Management, GGNIMT. On behalf of our committed team of teachers and also our mentors and seniors, wish all of you a very good day with the hope that you and your family will come out of this lockout period in the best of health and spirits. We hope this unintended vacation is being productively used by you to try out things that you always wanted to do but could never do due to your routines. This could be calling friends, school friends whom you had not called for a long time. Sit down with your family and enjoy playing indoor games, a Ludo or a chess or whatever. Eat together and also get enough chances to engage in harmless fights and arguments with your brothers and sisters. This period would have also helped you get an idea about your survival, team building skills, your attitudes. It would also help you judge how physically and mentally tough you are to face life as it comes. Though you cannot come to GGNIMT, we are sure you are missing us, and so are we. But I hope that they will not be far when all of us would meet again in GGNIMT, you in the best of your clothes, wearing the latest t-shirts, the latest jeans, the best hairstyle that you have, or the most colorful turbans that you wear, in suits and all the other kind of garments, and with the latest mobile phones. We hope you are using this period in the meanwhile productively to learn new things. Could be cooking, it could be gardening, it could be housekeeping, washing, learning a musical instrument, dancing. You have a lot of dances which are going around at YouTube, and so you can improve your skills of Bhangra or hip hop or whatever you wish to do. We feel that being occupied and trying new things is very necessary for both your mental and physical balance. It will help you stay diverted from your fears and stresses. So experiment, try out new things, innovate, as you may never get such quality time ever again in your lives. After these starters, now let us come to your main course, which is studies. All of us at GGNIMT, under the able guidance, mentorship of our Director Professor Manjeet Singh Chabra and our Principal Dr. Harpreet Singh, are trying to innovate and offer a valuable learning experience to you in the virtual mode. As you are aware, we are offering you classes in the form of PowerPoint presentations, PDF notes, YouTube videos. We are also happy to note that in our efforts, you all are also cooperating to the maximum extent possible by submitting your online assignments, participating in case study discussions, completing your final semester projects, by conducting virtual surveys and also clarifying your doubts. We hope that this altered mode of education and lifestyle empowers you to handle challenges and also enables you to do well in your university examinations, which may be held sometime soon. We also hope that you are seeking guidance from the faculty members, clarifying your doubts, making your notes, and getting ready for the war, which is exams, by keeping yourself fighting fit. Finally, I would recommend that take this unplanned break as an opportunity to discover your potential with the following action points. First, I would suggest you to improve your general awareness by selecting a national newspaper app in English. This could be a Times of India or a Hindustan Times or an Indian Express or the Tribune. Go to this app multiple times a day. Keep on seeing what is happening. Check the news, check the opinions, check the blogs. So this is the first thing that you should do. The second thing that I would suggest is identify a course or maybe more that are being offered online in an area of interest that helps you discover opportunities in getting better jobs or growth in your family business. I wish to share that the students doing MBA have already completed, many of them have completed their first course and now are looking forward to doing their second courses online. These courses could be in communication skills, data management skills, digital marketing, e-commerce, legal knowledge and awareness, business writing, computerized accounting, anything that you can present on your CV at a later date. As you are aware, we have shared sources about this in our class WhatsApp groups. So while you are selecting a course, check on two things. One, check the certifying authority, its credibility, its reputation. And two, check the duration of the courses. Initially, don't opt for a very long duration course as you may drop out at a later stage due to lack of interest. Go for courses where you can upgrade in multiple stages. So complete one level and then go for the next levels, and you will get certificates for each one of them. The third thing that I would suggest to you is improve your English reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. As post Corona, the opportunities that are going to come may change, and so will be the skills required for the jobs that the world is going to offer. With more and more online being adopted as a business mode, digital marketing being adopted as a business mode, it will be very important for you to effectively communicate in English, whether it could be in text or reading, writing, whatever. So, whether you're trying for a job anywhere in India or you're planning to go abroad for doing a course after completing your IELTS, you will never get a better time than this to concentrate and improve on your English skills. You, in any case, have a lot of material which is available online for doing this. For taking your skills at the next level, you may also join our online communications course which is being offered by us at GGNIMT. You may register for the same. Finally, you may also join our group discussion on the WhatsApp. We have formed a group by the name Connecting the Dots, where we post latest news in the day and discuss it every evening. This group is mentored by faculties. Students are here being trained to develop their communication and also group discussion skills. At this stage, we will also, I also want to express our attitude to Dr. S.P. Singh Ji, President, Gujranwala Khalsa Educational Council, and Sir Arvinder Singh Ji, General Secretary of GKAC, for guiding us in all the initiatives that we are taking to make your learning interesting and rewarding. We also reaffirm our gratitude to our mentors, Director Professor Manjeet Singh Chavda and Principal Dr. Harpreet Singh, for spearheading these initiatives. Thanks, and God bless you all with your families. We hope to see you soon at GGNIMT. Thank you. Bye-bye.